Okay, so I'm going to be cooking with the probe. I put it on 375, and then now I set my probe to 145. That's what I want the fajitas to be done at, 145. And now it's ready. And there's quite a bit of smoke from preheat. That's why I always use it over my stove. Big space. You can put a lot in here. I'm going to stick my probe in. I do it when it's already in there. I'm going to make sure that the probe is not touching the plates at all. See the temperature climbing? That's the temperature of the meat right now. And since it's using both plates, it should be quick. It's only been about 3 or 4 minutes, and it's already 124. Okay, here we are. I'm not even sure, 6 or 7 minutes later. So we have to use another probe to check the other ones. Yummy. It's already yummy, yum, yum, yum. Taping.